So for today, I'm going to teach you how to send or convert USDT to Ethereum or ETH in your Trust wallet. So first, just open or access your application on your mobile device and simply link in your wallet if you have an existing one, or if you don't have, just simply click the create new wallet. And after you link or create a wallet, it should look like this. For you to convert USDT to Ethereum, just simply click the swap button. And after that, you were going to select your network into ETH or Ethereum from the upper section, and make sure that you are going to convert USDT on the upper section. So just simply click it and search for the USDT in the Ethereum network. And then on the lower section, make sure that your network is also on the ETH or Ethereum. And after that, you need to select the cryptocurrency also, which is the Ethereum that you are going to convert to. So after that, you need to tender an amount of how much USDT you are going to convert into ETH. So for example, I will convert it into 120 USDT. So you were going to receive 0.06628 and such Ethereum by converting 120 USDT. If you have sufficient balance, it will push through, but if you don't have, of course, it won't. So that's how you convert USDT to Ethereum or ETH in your Trust wallet. If you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.